children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is music intervals. Our topic is music intervals. In music theory, an interval is a difference in pitch between two sounds. An interval may be described as horizontal, linear, or melodic if it is refers to successively sounding tones, such as two adjacent pitches in a melody, and vertical or harmonic if it is pertains to simultaneously sounding tones, such as in a chord. The distance between two notes is called interval. To measure the distance between two notes, count the alphabet letters. C to D, second. C to E, third. C to F, fourth. And C to G is fifth. When two notes are played or sung together, a harmonic interval is formed. When they are separately performed, it is known as melodic interval. Harmonic interval is played together. Melodic interval is played one after the other. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class.